Nothing like waking up to the sound of a lawnmower first thing in the morning in a Crackle Barrel parking lot. But this is Vanlife. Welcome back to my channel, friends. Where is Brittany? Let's hit the road.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help like this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk.
Make a U-turn, then turn left.
Oops, let me shut her off. Alright, so we made it. It looks like the spots are scattered. Let me. Sorry about this. Not the best. I know, Jada baby. She's ready to leave, but we still got to find a good spot. So that's cute. Just in case, always can come back. But we're gonna go up,
Turn left.
drive around a bit. Alrighty, friends, I've driven around the whole thing. There is no garbage pickup, so that kind of sucks, but that's fine. Be here for a few days. It's pretty open, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go back to, it was another car that was kind of behind, that was kind of like in the same area. If he or she didn't take that spot in the cul-de-sac, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that spot in the cul-de-sac. I'll be able to like have the door open up to the water and stuff. It will be cute. So we shall see if the spot is still available. So we can stay here for 14 days. It's completely free. I didn't see anything for us to pay and stuff like that, so that's cool. It was some spots further up that would have required, I think, like $6 with that America's the Beautiful Park Pass. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna take, so this is a spot, but I don't want that. I want this one. This spot right here. So literally I would have all of this right here to myself. There's a restroom there, and then there's the water over there. All right, let's go check this baby out. All right, friends, it is still so early. Like literally when those people were mowing outside, I technically lost an hour yesterday. So it was like they were mowing at like 7 o'clock in the morning to me, but it was really like 8 o'clock in the morning. So I think it's maybe, yeah, it's like 10:30 right now. I did not make the bed. I didn't do anything. When I woke up this morning, I was cold and just like, why are they freaking mowing the lawn so early? And I just got on the road and left. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is just kind of make the bed, get everything going. Jada is already ready to play ball. She's like whining, like, throw me the ball. But I'm gonna straighten up Dom first. It's a plane. I think we're close to Mountain Home Air Force Base. That's what that noise is. So whatever. It's free to be here. I'm happy. I have my home with me. Looks like it's gonna be beautiful weather. So yeah, let me go ahead and get Dom in a good, she's fine now. Like, she's not dirty, but let me make the bed and, you know, all that stuff that I was supposed to do before I was really interrupted by the lawnmower. Here's my sausage burrito. Cell service is kind of crappy right now. I'm still trying to send this text message to my sisters and my daddy. I do have a Starlink, and so I will be setting up that Starlink today, so I'll be able to have service. This girl in a doggone ball. But yeah, I'll do that so I can have some service to be able to do some things out here. So I just saw something that like freaked me out. My tire. I don't know. This looks really crazy. So it is a what's the name in here. You see how deep that is? And I'm looking, it don't look like I ran over anything. Something must have like, I don't know what that is, but I have insurance on these tires with Les Schwab. So I looked online. It's literally one en route, like 18 miles from here. So when I leave out of this place, I'm going to Les Schwab to have them look at this tire. I may end up getting a new one, or they may end up doing whatever they need to do, but I can go ahead and get my oil changed too while I'm there. Dom will be needing an oil change in about 600 miles or so, so might as well get it done now. And they look at that tire to make sure that's okay, because oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I just decided, I don't even know why I looked over there, to be honest, but yeah, that's scary. So they'll be able to do a nice little tire rotation and balance. Yeah, but back to relaxing out here. It's so nice and so pretty. I don't know, it's so many butterflies like everywhere. I'm gonna try and catch some butterfly footage, but they're just like just everywhere. It's so cute. Jada's all about this ball. Alrighty, so I've already started making dinner. I'm gonna have some potatoes in there with red and green bell peppers, garlic, ginger, and some seasonings. I also cut up some tomatoes and some zucchini. And I have the basmati rice over here, and then I'm just gonna like have the rice with the sauteed vegetables, and then like this sauce is called bitchin'. It's their chipotle flavor, or yeah, the chipotle flavor, and it is so good. I'll show y'all that once everything is done. But yeah, I am starving, so I decided to go ahead and make dinner, and I'm making enough so I'll have food for tomorrow. Win-win. This beautiful colorful dish, so I added the zucchini and just added the cherry tomatoes, and basically it's finished. Alrighty, so here is the plate or bowl, and then I wanted to show you this bitchin' sauce, the chipotle bitchin' sauce. It is so good. Alright girl, I'm gonna try and tire you out, which I know that is very impossible, but look at her go. She has so many options. So many to choose from. Y'all, look at this sunset.